Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Gail here with Mid-Atlantic Chiropractic Center. Today I'm going to be adjusting Dr. Cole. We're going to roll him up towards me and in this nice tucked position just bring him back down. So let yourself just fall backwards. There it is. One more, tuck the chin and just fall. There we go. Perfect. And you can rest on the paper here. And now we will check the neck. I will be walking you through how we do a patient adjustment, and first what we do is we take a look at the x-ray listing. I'm using this as kind of a double check to see what areas of the spine to pay close attention to. I'm going to work my way up from the feet all the way up to his neck. So I will take a look at the leg length here, and we do have a short leg on the left side. So then I'll come up to the pelvis and check right in here. Is there any tenderness when I push along this ridge here?
Not too bad.
Not too tight there? How about a little lower in here?
It is tender there.
Tender there, okay. And any tenderness up on the top right here when I push there compared to the left?
Definitely on the left side.
On the left side, okay, so all the tenderness is here. And what that's telling me is that the pelvis is misaligned. So based on his x-ray, we see this hip has shifted down and this hip is sitting high. So that's putting extra pressure on the muscles and also the nerves in this area. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna have you on your side facing me. I'm gonna raise this up for you. Okay. And give this bottom arm a little pull. Hold that top elbow for me, bending that top leg. Okay, so this side is going to roll down towards me, and we're going to bring this hip up towards your shoulder. So just let this roll. Good. And one more time. Let's have you scoot those hips back just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Keep that bottom leg straight as we roll forward. There it is. Okay, other side. You took the scenic route around.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna give this bottom arm a little pull, stacking those shoulders, bending that top leg, bringing this one down. And now this hip's gonna come way up high because we're gonna be bringing this hip down towards the ground. Good, and it's already moving. There we go. Back on your stomach, and let's check those tender spots. Okay, so rechecking the leg length here, and that is even. Now, any change on this spot?
Yeah, it feels better.
Feels better? Okay. How about that left side right there?
That feels better too.
Good. Any tightness in the top of the pelvis right here? Tenderness when I push there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what we found on his x-ray is that his sacral base angle is actually increased, so it's rocked forward like that. And we're going to bring it back and down right here. So very specific adjustment. I'm going to use the drop table here. So it's going to lift up underneath you, and then it's going to drop when I do the adjustment. So we're going to push this back and down, two just like this. Good. One more. Perfect. And now these last two, you're going to help me with this. So I'm going to have you take a small breath in. Hold all the way out. Beautiful. One last one of these. Breath in, hold all the way out. Perfect. Any change on that tender spot?
Yeah, it feels better there.
Feels better? Perfect. Okay, and everything's moving well through here. Work our way up. Any tightness on this left side?
Just a tad.
Just a tad right through there. We also need to check up here. Tightness when I push here.
Mm-hmm.
Is that tender? Okay. We're going to unlock this one. Small breath in, all the way out. There we go. One more. Little breath in and out. Relaxing those shoulders. There we go. Perfect. Any change through here?
Yeah, it feels good.
Okay. And then coming back to that one that was slightly tender. Is that feeling any different or still the same?
Still pretty tender there.
Okay, so we're gonna rotate this down on the left side. So based on his x-ray, we found that this bone sits lifted on the left. So what I'm gonna do is contact it and bring it down towards his hip and out towards the side to flex it back down. So this is gonna fall underneath you. There it goes. Okay, so we're gonna rotate this, flex it down. Good. Two more of those. Nope, that one doesn't count. One more. There it is. Any change on that spot?
Mm-hmm.
Feels better?
Mm-hmm.
Feeling good up here? Okay, so we're gonna check the top of the neck here. Any tightness, tenderness when I push this one this side?
On my right side, yep.
Yep, you feel it here. And then when I push this one this way, does that feel tight at all?
Not as bad as
the top one here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And how's this one?
On the right.
Yep, okay. So up top here, this is very blocked up. So we're gonna do a release for this side. So what I'm gonna do is hold this and I'm gonna roll your head towards the opposite way. You just stay nice and rested on the paper, or I guess there's no paper today. I'm gonna roll this over. There we go. And then one more right here. I'm gonna do a little roll and a push through. There it is. Felt that one release?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Any change on these spots?
Yeah, feels better.
Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna have you flip over. So based on Dr. Cole's x-rays, we found that the curve in his mid-back has decreased. So what we wanna see is a slight bend forward, and his is starting to flatten out. So to get that curve back, we're gonna have him bring his hands behind his neck and then the elbows together, and with the knees bent and the feet flat on the table, we're gonna roll him up towards me, and in this nice tucked position, just bring him back down. So let yourself just fall backwards. There it is. One more, tuck the chin, and just fall. There we go. Perfect, and you can rest on the paper here, and now we will check the neck. Any tenderness here when I push?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And how is this side? Any tenderness there?
Not as bad as the right.
Okay, right is worse. And then we got one more spot lower. C4. Any tightness there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So we're going to start up top here and then come to that lower one. So C1 is lifted high on the right side. So we're going to bring it down. So I'm going to contact the lateral aspect. Just let your head rest on the paper here. This is coming down just like that. Perfect. It'll click in right there. Any change on that tender spot?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. That's feeling better. And now, still tender here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this one is to help prevent any more degenerative changes. So based on his x-ray, we found that disc height is starting to decrease here. So we're gonna bring this one up at an angle towards the ceiling to help bring in that curve back to the cervical spine. So just letting that head rest on the paper. This is gonna come up and over. Ready? Perfect. All right, and that moved beautifully. Any change here?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. We're gonna do a little lift and a pull. Any pain in the low back when I do that?
Mm-mm.
One more. Awesome. How's it feeling through here?
Very good.
Good, alrighty. And you are good to go. And that is how we do an adjustment here at Mid-Atlantic Chiropractic Center. Thank you.